It's been kind of overshadowed by some other events, but Jamaica did suffer a stinging 1-0 defeat against regional rivals Trinidad and Tobago on the weekend. Luckily, the Reggae boys get another bite of the cherry tonight. And look, Coach Halgrimson is new to this Jamaica-Trinidad thing. Just to say, Coach, it was your first home game. Poor playing conditions. You don't have your best players. You don't know anything about Trinidad and Tobago. Just to say, though, Coach, that Jamaica losing to Trinidad is not acceptable under any circumstances, not even in jacks and dandy shandy, much as in football. So, Coach, please fix this tonight. About that first game in Montego Bay, though, first of all, that playing surface is a disgrace. And in hindsight, international football should not have been played on that surface. Having said that, though, both teams played on the same bad surface, and Trinidad did enough to win. They found a way to score and prevented Jamaica from scoring. So no excuses. Right now, we demand at least a 3 or 4 of revenge. Yes. But minimum, we want to win. Yes. Minimum, we want to win.